and welcome to Coastal Crafts. So I just want to do a quick video this morning because it was World Card Making Day yesterday, and I've been having so much fun with this paper pad, the Enchanted Swan Paperpad, which I have done a flick through, but I'm going to do a super quick one which you have to slow down your video for if you want to see them all individually. But they're really gorgeous because I'm just into swans at the moment, and they're just perfect for making Christmas cards and cute colours. So I'm going to show you sorry, some of the cards that I have been making. So first of all, I've gone for this little Christmas tree. So I really like just popping them up, having it nice and dimensional, different bits and pieces on there, and added my own Merry Christmas. And these resin snowflakes I had from AliExpress were just perfect for these cards, and a few extra little gems as well. So as you can see, it's such a cute colour scheme. So then went along and did this one. I didn't pop this one up, so I kind of regret that now because they just look so much nicer when they're popped up. You can see how I fussy cut out the swan, and it's just so cute. And that doily is from a stamp set I picked up on eBay from Clearly Besotted, which just goes really nicely in that pale grey colour. So onto this one, where I used the 3D embossing folder, one of the Crafter's Companion ones. You can see how gorgeous that is in the background. And that mint coloured hunky-dory card just goes absolutely perfectly with this paper collection. So really cute, all popped up and fussy cut. So loving those. This is one of the first ones I made. This was actually used in the decoupage set that came. So I bought the goodie bag, I think I showed you in a previous haul. And that was having a go using the little decoupage set. Winter Wishes, and I might pick up some more decoupage bits to go with this, just to make it a bit easier. So here comes the swan again, but I've gone for more of a pink look with this one. So that needs to be down there, doesn't it? A bit of ribbon. And still lots of snowflakes falling. So there's lots of circles in here because that's kind of how the design was on the paper sheet. See, lots of them are in a circle design, and some bigger circles as well. And then this one I just die cut using my own swan die, and I felt it went really well with this paper pad. So you can also use your own dies and bring them in. So I thought that one was really cute. And although this one isn't using the same paper pad, I did also have a go, because it was the same colour scheme, with my hunky-dory free gift, the Berry Merry Christmas, and did some fussy cutting of that one as well to cut them out and pop them up, just because they look so much cuter when they're popped up, using one of the frames. And that's an embossing folder I already had of some birch trees. So I just think they're so cute, aren't they? Just love those bears. So I hope you like my card share for World Card Making Day yesterday. Slightly late. Do let me know if you did any card making. Yeah, and where we can find your cards if you've done some. And I shall see you very, very soon. Bye.